What's good, YouTube? It's Jason King here again with another Forex video. So, the best Forex strategies of 2019. The best business tips and tricks. Please subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the notification bell below to be notified when I put out new videos. All right, guys, here's Jason King again, back with another one. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the technical analysis. These are some strategies that you guys can use. Like I said, I'm doing the best strategies for 2019 with Forex trading. So basically, you guys, you got to look at this as an opportunity for you to get into the market. Some of us go in trying to trade without a proper strategy. But once you get a strategy, stick to it. So a lot of traders go ahead and use a lot of trend lines and things to mark up their charts. And basically, they're marking up their charts on every movement. So they're looking for a trend, and then they mark the supply and demand. What I do with my specific strategy, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark out the actual day chart, the 4-hour, the hour, and the 15-minute chart. And I'm going to look at the major highs and lows in this specific strategy. This is step one in one of the best strategies for Forex that I can see, because it gets all of the movements that everybody's trying to trap already put together. So most of my students and my teammates, they already know this strategy. But for you new guys, this is going to be something that you can use to elevate your actual trading skills. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pause my mic real quick, and I'm going to go into this strategy, and I'm going to go into it so you guys can see me go through it very quickly. Matter of fact, guys, I'm going to leave the mic on. I'm not going to mute myself. Okay, so what I'm going to do is find the lowest of the low and the highest of the high. Okay? And this is on the day chart. So if you guys see this on the day chart. So I'm looking for the immediate action, not the action that's happened a while back, the immediate action. So everybody's trying to look in the past. You need to look currently, right in the future. You don't need to be looking in the past for the movement that already had happened. You need to look for the future movement. So as you see on this daily chart on RUSD, it went on a sell, now it went on a buy. So that's the 4-hour chart that that's the day chart I'm on, excuse me. So I just found the day charts, major support and resistance. So now I'm going to the 4-hour. As you can see, the 4-hour is totally different. So it's getting ready to create a W, or a double bottom, as we would refer to in Forex land. So you can see it right here getting ready to be formed. So, all right, I'm going to mark the major high and low, the immediate action. Once again, for all the people that know this specific setup, you guys, this is just a refresher. So that's the 4-hour. Now I'm going to go to the hour. So the hour looks totally different. As you can see, the movement of the sell has already happened. And I'm marking this with different colors each time. All right, and now I'm going to go to the 15-minute. So I'm trapping it each time. So I'm going to look for the lowest low again and the highest high. As you can see, guys, it's priming itself for a good movement. And this is just a basic setup, a basic strategy to help you guys. So now, as you can look out in a more as a total view, you can see that I've trapped the entire market inside of this simple setup. So most people wouldn't do it this way, but as you can see the trend clearly. You see the uptrend, you see it drop, you see the uptrend start back, and you see it drop again. So now we should be looking for something to go back to the upside and break these major supports and minor supports that I put in. So this is the first part of one of these strategies. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the next part, guys. Give me a brief moment. Okay, guys, I'm back again. So the first part was just getting the technical setup, recognizing the highest, the major support and the major resistance. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to get everything trapped in the market. So these are 3 critical patterns that you want to look for in the market. You're going to look for the W, the M, and the V. So these are patterns that you want to pay attention to in the market. So they will tell you when the market actually does a movement. So right now you can see a double bottom getting ready to form. So that would be a W. As you see, the actual index is going up. That's 10%. So this is what we call in a whole as technical analysis. Now, the second part of this strategy would be fundamental analysis. So most people don't use, so most people do not use, damn it, I'm gonna have to cut that out. All right, guys. So the last part I was talking about was the beginning of the technical analysis. So I'm going to enter into the rest of the technical analysis in this area. So what you're looking for are 3 major shapes, or 3 major patterns that Forex traders look for, which will be the W, the M, and the V. These patterns come out throughout the market several times. What you should do is try to catch when these actual shapes come in to gain yourself in position to either go into a buy or to a sell. So that's what we usually do in the market, trying to capitalize on that specific movement. So that is one of the parts that we usually use, that my mentor has taught me. Learn the shapes, patterns like a wedge pattern and all those things. These are very good for your trading experience. But the next part is really key, and it would be the fundamental analysis and your indicators. So the fundamental analysis is you actually knowing the news events. So for that, you're going to go to dailyfx.com. So I'm going to snap over there to that and dailyfx.com, so you can see the actual events that key out and come out and affect the market. So you see this, and you see that it's coming out, and you see right here all of the actual news events that happen with all the currency pairs. If I select all, it'll bring up all of the events. If I just go back and filter and I select none, then I select the current one that I am on right now, close, odd USD, you see the news that comes out Monday, pardon me. Okay, so this is like a weekly review. It lets you know what actually happens throughout the week. Most traders do not trade with the fundamental analysis. They only trade technicals. But this is a small part that will help you understand what's going on with the trades. I'm not going to go into that, but what I am going to go into the indicators that can help you. Right now, we use specific indicators that can easily make it easy for you guys. So let me go to the indicators and strategies. So an indicator that I like to use is, I go into my favorite. This is the volume, and my favorite one is the ultimate moving average. Okay, so this is a moving average that will help you see what is actually going on. So right now you saw the double top, well, or the M. You can actually see the M. You can actually see the V. So this helps you recognize the patterns when they're actually happening. So it makes it easier on you to see. So now you don't have as many problems. You also want to keep something up. I'm going to exit out of that one. You want to also keep these open so you can have this in here to help you. It's a more common indicator. So when you're using your actual MetaTrader, you will have something in there that you can put moving averages. So the best moving averages that I would say would be a moving average of 9, a moving average of 20, and a moving average of 200. And then you will use the RSDI and the ADX, which I will show you in here. You can search for this, the ADX and the DI. These are the three that you can use on MetaTrader. But for the best trading results, I would say you would use TradingView to get your best results in the market. All right, guys, we are back again. I'm taking off from where I left off last time. So what I'm going to do today is go over compounding and compound secrets. What you guys don't understand about compounding. So basically, this is the trade that I set up for last week. This was a week worth of progression. It had a sell going in, then a long buy. I caught both of these actions. I caught the buy, as you can see, and then I came back, followed in, and caught the sell. So now I'll be looking for a continuation on the sell to go to the downside. So when you want to compound a trade, when you're compounding a trade, you want to get into another lot size. So basically, when you're compounding, you want to make sure that you're doing it the right way, doubling up on the trade. So this is what I got. As you can see, double up on the trade, compound secrets. The first thing that I'm gonna go to, how to make $1,000 trading in Forex in 1 month. You go in a lot size of 0.1, which is 10-cent lot. You can open up 5 accounts. Now, you can go 10 pips for each trade per day, and that 10 pips will equal out to $10. So $10 with 5 accounts will equal out to 50 in 5 days. That's $250. In 4 weeks, that's $1,000, and so on and so on. So when you're going into trades or you're compounding, that means you're going into this, which would be this area right here. Hold on 1 second. Let me grab a pencil. That would be this. You'll be using this lot size, and you will take it in there 5 times. So you're going to do 0.1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. You'll be doing that 5 times, you guys. So that is what compounding is. Now, you will go on to the next stage once you get higher lot sizes or whatever. You can go up to make $5,000 trading in a month. You can go to 0.05 or a, which is 50 cent per pip. As you can see, what I have right here written out for you guys on the slide. So you do the exact same thing. Now, it's important for you to have the proper leverage when you're going into the accounts or when you're going into the trade. So I'll tell everybody to start off with $300. So you will have enough leverage and you won't blow your account. So each time that you go into an account or into a trade, when you see a pullback and you're ready to enter in another trade, you will go in. Like I said before, at a 0.5, once you build your account a little bit, you can go into this 5 times. So you will have 5 of these lots open, or 5 accounts, as you see, 5 of these open. That means you'll have 10 pips, 10 trades per day. Okay, 10 trades equals $50. 5 accounts equals $250. 5 days equals, that's $1,250. I mean, well, that's $1,250. Now in 4 weeks, you gain $5,000. Now we go on to the next step to make $10,000 trading in 1 month. So I'm breaking this down to you guys to make you understand this. This is a simple process. You just making it hard. Most people are just making it hard because they get confused. They're looking at everybody. They're watching all of this training. They're not paying attention. You need to be putting in, once you go into positive, you need to be putting in a stop loss or a trailing stop. So that will also help you with the compounding of your trades. So you having all these lots open, 5 lots is really a lot to have open when you have a certain amount in your account. So this is a 10-cent lot, which was be a standard. Well, not even a standard. This is a regular 10-cent lot where most people go into when they have, I would say $1,000 in there. You will go in point zero. Now, a standard lot is 1.00. Okay, so this is 0.10, which equals $1 per pip. So you can have 5 accounts open, which will give you 10 pips, which is 10 times 10 trades per day. So that's $10, which will end up $100, will equal $100. You got 5 accounts open, which will give you 500. In 5 days, that's $2,500. In 4 weeks, that's $10,000. So this is how easy it is to win this in a month. But you must have the proper leverage. So this is why I say again, go into your account loaded up with $300. If you can't find $300, then save it until you get $300, because it'll make it easier for you to attain this goal. Now, on to the next one. Now, how to make $1 million trading Forex in 1 month. A 10 lot. A 10 lot size is like I said, it's 10 lot. This 10.00. 10 lot is $100 per pip. You have 5 accounts open, which is 10 trades per day. 10 trades equals $1,000. 5 accounts equals $50,000. 5 days is $250,000. 4 weeks is $1 million. So we know everything about the market structure. It goes up 50 pips, down 50 pips. You know, whatever you're doing in the market, once you go positive, once that red turns blue, you put an immediate stop loss and then turn that stop loss into a trailing stop. Make sure that trailing stop is like 120 pips so that you don't get caught in a trade and it hits your stop loss. Make sure that trailing stop is on so you can watch the market do what it's gonna do and you won't lose your profit. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go back to the chart that I had set up. Like I said, this is gonna be another setup that I'm gonna keep continuously watching. Like I just wanted to do a quick video to let you guys know what compounding secrets are. That's how you compound to get money. So I will also be doing another video very soon, you guys, on how to put MetaTrader on your Mac. How to put MetaTrader on your Mac. A lot of people don't know how to do that. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Make sure you share this. Make sure you hit the little notification bell to be notified when I bring out new videos. And thank you. Peace. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it, sharing it, and putting a comment below. If you want another video about Forex or about it just in general business tips, please comment below. Let me know so I can make a video about it and get you some information out there to you.